Hello, my name is Aysegul and this is my final presentation for 2022 LOC internship program. About the internship program, so I'm a student of Seoul National University. The general topic that I worked with was optical character recognition using deep learning, and my subtopic was allergen recognition in food labels using OCR. So the table of contents of the presentation, I'm going to talk about what I learned during my internship program. I'm going to talk about the objectives of my own project, and then I'm going to show you the results that I got from my project. First, how I learned during the internship program. To begin with, I should say that I didn't really have a lot of knowledge about the subject itself, so OCR, optical character recognition. So I learned a lot about OCR itself during the internship, especially the first couple of weeks of the program. And I learned about Tesseract OCR, which is an open source OCR engine provided by Google. I thought I was going to use Tesseract for my project because it was the most well-known and widely used OCR engine out there, but it ended up that Tesseract did not work for my project, so I switched to Google Cloud Vision API, which also includes an OCR engine, and it ended up working perfectly for me. Now I want to talk about the objectives of my project using an image as an example. Here we can see an example of a food label as well as the allergen warning, which I circled in red. First, I want to distinguish the allergen warning from the rest of the food label. I'm going to use OCR, optical character recognition, for it. Since all warnings include the word 함유, which means contains in English, I want to detect that word to differentiate the allergen warning from the rest of the food label. Second, I want to recognize the allergens using OCR again. The words to be recognized are limited since there are only so many allergens. This makes recognition more efficient. In this example, we can see that the allergens are uyu and tedu. So for the third step, I want to translate the allergens into target language. Considering the target language is English for my project, the outcome for this example specifically should be contains milk and soy. So about the results, I want to show the results on my code actually. This is the final code for my project. I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to use an example image. This is the example image that I'm going to use. You can see the allergen warning here. It says tedu 밀 조개류 함유. So if we run the code, we can see the first message as detected 함유. It also displays this image in which you can see the word 함유 detected. There's a box around it in green to show that it is detected. So the second message displayed is saved new image. This new image contains only one line, including the allergen warnings part of the food label, and it is saved in the directory. The saved image is this one, as we can see. It includes the allergen warnings here. And then the third part, it says allergens found. It lists the allergens in Korean, tedu 밀 조개류. And then the last message that is displayed is this food contains soy, wheat, variants of clam. So the allergen warnings are all translated to English. They're displayed as a warning message. So this is all I want to say about my final code and how it works. Before finishing up, I want to say a big thank you to the professor and all the teammates for their contributions and their support during my project. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.